In our emotional code, we improve what we can and learn to live with what we can't fix. That's what makes life more than just a sequence of computations. It makes it real. The human debugging process. If AI debugging is about fixing broken code, human debugging is about fixing broken habits. Identify the root issue. Mistakes don't come out of nowhere, whether it's a personal failure or a professional misstep. There's always an underlying cause. Find it, understand it, own the mistake. AI doesn't have to apologize for bad outputs, but we do. Taking responsibility is how we reclaim control over our own narrative. Patch, don't erase. There's no undo button in life. Instead of trying to erase the past, focus on learning from it and building something stronger moving forward. Version updates over time. The best software improves over multiple iterations. So do people. The person you were last year isn't the person you are today, or the person you'll be tomorrow. Keep upgrade. Accept that some bugs stay forever. Not everything gets fixed. Some scars stay. Some damage is permanent. But that doesn't mean we stop running the program. We adapt. We optimize. We evolve. Living without rollbacks, AI gets infinite do-overs. We don't. That's what makes every decision matter. The mistakes we make don't disappear, but neither does the growth we gain from them. The pain we cause doesn't reset, but neither does the impact of the good we do. Every bug stays in production. Make sure the system you're building is one worth running. There's no way to erase a past version of yourself and start from scratch. That's what makes human existence both terrifying and beautiful. The stakes are real. When we mess up, the effects ripple outward. We don't just reboot relationships, undo mistakes, or reset our reputations with a command. We have to confront, adapt, and grow, because every misstep lingers as technical debt in the architecture of our lives. No clean installs, just iteration. AI faces an issue. It can recompile, retrain, or simply wipe the slate clean. But human growth, that's different. We don't get fresh installations. We're running the same core system from day one, accumulating experiences, wisdom, and yes, baggage. Mistakes don't vanish. Regret isn't a system warning you can dismiss. Every experience writes to disk, sometimes in ways that can't be overwritten. So what do? We iterate. We acknowledge the bugs in our thinking, the inefficiencies in our choices, and the vulnerability. Life has no rollbacks. Every bug we create stays in production. The difference between AI and humanity. AI has it easy. When a system crashes, it spins up a new instance. If an execution path fails, it reconfigures and retries. If an entire framework collapses, it can be deleted and rebuilt from scratch. Clean slate. No memory of the error. No scars from past failures. Humans, we don't get that luxury. Every bad decision, every misstep, every flaw in our personal code doesn't just disappear when we wish it would. There are no fresh instances, no system resets. The bugs we create in life stay in production. The best we can do is iterate, patch what we can, and learn to live with what's already deployed. Life is a live production environment. In software development, a bug in production can cause headaches, but it can usually be fixed with a patch or a rollback. In life, every moment we live is already deployed. Every word spoken, every action taken, every bridge burned or built